So guys, we're on a river walk. It's pretty cool using our micro spikes. There are sections of this trail that are pretty sketchy. So we get turned around. Riverwalk is closed halfway up the canyon because of falling ice, and people are the ranger just closed it. So we're on our way back. We'll go find something else to do. I think we're gonna go do emerald pools. Okay guys, we're not on the main trail anymore. We're down here by the river walking. We do have guys going up the narrows today. We're on Grotto. We're heading towards Emerald Pools. We decided to get off at Grotto and walk the, I think it's like a half mile to the lodge. Good chance to see some wildlife. We are on micro spikes. I love our micro spikes. I seen a Bigfoot shipwreck, but it's not. We're looking at some deer. Pretty cool to see wildlife while in a national park that's pretty busy. Oh, there's one right here. The trail's pretty icy. We're only going to go to the first pool. It's running. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon already. Okay, we're at the first waterfall. As far as we're going to go. We're running out of time. Gotta be back down in St. George. Oh, the waterfall's flowing pretty good today. So, we get down to the first pool, and the first pool trail's closed due to ice. Okay guys, that was Emerald Pools. The trail was closed, ice coming off the waterfall, so couldn't go past the first pool. It's a fun hike. Going all 3 pools is also nice. I've been up there. It's a nice little hike. It's easy. And that was our trip to Zion for New Year's Day. If you like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay safe out there. And Happy New Year. Deer track. And look right here. I think that's Bigfoot. I'm not sure.